In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix "We are sorry, something went wrong. Please wait and try again" in a few minutes on your PC or on your laptop. Then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Now, in most cases, if you're experiencing this, the first thing you want to ensure you have stable internet. However, if you can't still watch, then go to your browser. For my case, I'm on Chrome browser. So go to these three dots here and look for settings. Under settings, go to privacy and security, and here we want to troubleshoot this browser by deleting browsing history. So look for delete browsing data and choose the length of time you want to delete. You can delete for the last 15 minutes, last 1 hour, or last 24 hours, or even last 7 days or more. Here you can delete lifetime. So for my case, I just want to delete for the last 7 days and make sure they're above and proceed to delete. And as you can see, the data has been deleted. Once you are done, now you can try log into your account and see if this works. If it does not still work, then you want to check and see that you are not using or connected to any VPN, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. Turn off any VPN or any security program that you recently installed on your computer. However, if that does not fix your problem, then you may want to try and restart your computer and see if you log into your account, this works. However, if it does not, you may also try to change your browser. If you are using Google Chrome, try using a different browser and see if it works. Still, if it does not, then try using DStv Stream app on your mobile device. Go ahead and log in using your account and see if that one works. In most cases, if this works, then most likely the problem might have been with the browser version of DStv Stream. However, if both of them fails, then most likely DStv Stream has experienced an internal error, and for that you'll need to wait for some few minutes and come back, try again. And now once you visit the official website, try logging in, and this time around now everything should be okay. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.